If you're taking your TEAS exam, let's really quickly talk about the reading section. So the reading section is going to have a lot of questions on main idea, topic, topic sentence, and supporting details. You should expect anywhere between 7 to 10 questions on these topics. So what we're taking a look at here is we are taking a look at some of our PDF notes that comes out of the TEAS 7 online course. But the most important thing that I want us to go over is the difference between a topic, a main idea, and a topic sentence, because while they might sound the same, they're not the same thing, okay? It's not something that you can use interchangeably. They mean 3 different things. So let's quickly go over it. So the first thing is that a topic is the general subject that the text is about. It's often described in just a few words. So think about topic being the most generalized, the most broad thing that we're talking about. So for example, you could say the topic of this video is the T7 reading section or something like that, okay? It's going to be something that is just a little bit more broad and generalized. And then you've got the main idea, and I know a lot of us were taught that the main idea is either the first or the last sentence in a paragraph, but that's not actually true. The main idea is the big point that the author is trying to make about the topic. And yes, sometimes it is that sentence, but that's because sometimes those first or last sentences in a paragraph, what do? They're summarizing or they're introducing what it is you're talking about. And that's exactly what the main idea. The main idea is like an umbrella that covers almost everything in the text. A lot of the times it'll be something paraphrased, okay? So you're thinking about what specifically are we talking about? And I love these 2 examples. Topic is growing tomatoes in a cold climate. The main idea is growing tomatoes in a cold climate requires special attention. Next, we've got the topic sentence. So the topic sentence is an actual verbatim sentence that you can express out of the passage. So this is going to be that sentence that is word for word or very, very, very close to word for word that you can take out of the passage that you can say is your topic sentence. So I like topic sentence to search for in the text. So I think a lot of the times, because we were taught the main idea is that first or last sentence, we get a lot of questions wrong on the TEAS exam because we're mistakenly saying that it is the topic sentence. It is not. So make sure that you remember the differentiation between these 2 things.